Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a leftover paint pour. And I explain this every time, but I'm going to explain it again for anyone new. Basically what I do is when I do a pour, there's always a little bit left in the cup. So what I do is I just set the cups on top of each other and combine the paints. And then when I have a cup full of paint, I do a pour with it. So the cool thing about that is you're going to have all kinds of paints and colors in there. This has neon, it has glow in the dark, it has color shift, it's got my regular Artist Loft Flow acrylics, it's got my Artscape paints, it's got literally like just tons of different brands, Liquitex. So this should make for a very exciting painting. And I generally like to do a traveling tree ring with this. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Now just let this sit and drain for a little bit. Okay. Let's go ahead and tilt. Obviously we have some more paint over here. I generally try to pour it evenly, but it pretty much never works. So then I just tilt it down here. It's okay. It's definitely plenty of paint for this canvas. Okay. And I'm liking the colors together, which is good. It's funny because there's definitely neons in here, but those are kind of nowhere to be seen. And we definitely ended up with more earthy tones. There we go. Gorgeous. Okay, I see some cells popping up. And we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a little bit. Let it do its thing. And then we'll come back and we'll do our close-up. Okay, we're back. We had some cells popping up through here. There's a lot of metallic paints in here. There's no silicone. I've not used any silicone in these paints anytime recently, so no silicone. I know that for a fact. All right, let's go ahead and do our close-up. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, we have this like nice maroon popping through, which I think is from the skeleton painting. There's definitely, you can see, go to the side a little bit, you can see that metallic in there. See, there's gold. Lots of green. I did have the skateboard project recently, so some of these colors are probably from there. And then down to the end, we've got some actually pretty cool kind of lacing in here. And a little bit of yellow popping through. I really like this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. And just as another note, a lot of times my leftover paint's been sitting for a while. Some of it's been sitting for a while, but some of it's just from today. So probably a bit more cells than usual, because usually it's kind of sitting there. But I love it. Hope you love it too. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.